Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can zoom in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the option to start a new project. Here you're going to find open a project, new team project, and open a team project. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to start a new project. So right now I'm going to click on create new projects and then I'm going to choose the media I want to work with. So I'm going to choose this one, click on import. And as you can see guys, now we added the video. So right now, for example, if you want to zoom in, just go right here and then click on this little arrow. Once you do that right here, you're going to find transform and also audio. Go ahead and click on the arrow next to transform. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of options: anchor points, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. So just go to scale, then hold this, and you can either drag to the right or to the left to zoom in or out. So for example, I'm going to zoom in to this place right here. And then if you want to select an exact keyframe to zoom in, just go ahead and click on scale. Firstly, we're going to go back to the zoom level. So once you're here, just go ahead and drag your time indicator to the place where you want to zoom in, for example, this place. And then right here, as you can see, guys, next to scale, you're going to find this little stopwatch icon. Go ahead and click on it and then choose the zoom level you want. And then once you do that, you can just move to this place right here, create on another keyframe, for example, right here. And then in this keyframe, we're going to zoom out. Once you do that, as you can see, guys, if you play the video right now, this is the result you're going to have. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.